Our farm doesn't have any animals at all. We just grow what's called cereals, which are like sort of things you have for breakfast. So these are all different samples of different cereals we grow on the farm. The event this morning has been fantastic in showing the children where the food comes from, and then also to the actual serving the food. So the whole cycle of food plants being grown and how they produced all different foods you can have for breakfast. Especially with arable farming, a lot of things we produce using breakfast. Mostly what we grow on our farm is wheat, which is in one here. Been showing children about when we have a grain at the farm, planting it through the year, harvesting the grain, and then having the children actually rubbing the grain out of the ears of wheat.
We took the seeds out and we put them in the grinder and we grinded them to make flour.
For the children to actually be able to experience it and see the various different grains and touch the various different grains does actually make an impression on them. And it's something like that that they remember for a long time to come.
At breakfast time, we should be having what we call a balance. So
They've just got such an amazing amount from the day. Just watching the reactions, the way they've actually spoken of what they've done.
You should always have breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day because it gets you going throughout the day.
It starts you off so then you can concentrate throughout the day, and if you don't have breakfast you might feel a bit droopy.
We've had quite a lot of fun.
And like to do it again.
They've done what we set out to do, they've learnt where the food comes from, they've learnt how it gets to the table, and they've learnt about the grains and the various different farming ways.
HGCA are really useful for arable farmers educating children because they have lots of resources to help us show children what we're growing on the farm and how it links to their food. When I originally started doing visits to our farm, I did it purely as I wanted to educate the public. And nowadays I really enjoy it. I do it because I really enjoy having people around our farm and they learn lots at the same time. And you can't say the public don't understand about where the food comes from if you don't show them.